Back in the days when I first got started with videos, I just used whatever I had, which was a mobile phone. And back in the days, mobile phones were very bad quality. Luckily nowadays it's a lot better. And of course, I also do a lot of videos on Zoom as well. So sometimes we record on there. And what I was able to see when I compared to a professional camera is that when it's professional, it just looks so much better. And look, I also had a DSLR camera that I bought, but because I'm not a technical person, I didn't really know how to do the settings right. I also use the camera in different places, and lightings would affect the camera, and sometimes all of a sudden the setting's wrong and I didn't know how to fix it. Also, I didn't really know how to use lighting as well, and so I decided to really engage with a company that can set up and install all the equipments that I need. So I didn't have to worry about, what camera to buy, what microphone to get, what lighting to do. And what they did was they set it all up, and in a way that I only have to press one button. So now I didn't know what to expect until I got it as well, because yes, I did like the quality, but I didn't realize how easy it was. And so with this professional camera kit, I'm able to press one button and then all the lights come on and it really glows around my body, my face. And because the camera is set up in one place, I'm not fidgeting around with placing the camera in different places and wasting time. And so I'm able to really shoot the videos immediately, or when I go on a web conference, like having a Zoom call with clients or with potential leads, etc., people just go, wow, what's that? And I really feel like it really helped me to stand out. And I felt like I only knew the power of it until I've kind of got it done. And so this is why I'm so excited for people to have this studio kit set up for them, because they will get to look $1 million every single time and save so much time as well. So I will show you the quality of the videos that I did with my DSLR. It is good. It's just not as good as this. And as you say, this is like cinematic. This looks like I'm in a movie, right? And so because of the lighting, because of the setup of the camera, and even the sound quality of the proper microphone, whereas I guess I wasn't setting it up right. And like I said, I wasn't brave enough to fidget around with the settings of the camera. Even if I watched a YouTube channel, watching YouTube tutorial on how to fix my camera, I just could not figure it out. So I leave it in one setting and it wasn't the best setting. And so I would say that the DSLR camera I have, it gives me just okay quality. And now with this cinematic quality and not having to even touch anything, it's already set up. So I feel like it's such a lifesaver for me. The beauty in having it set in one place is everything's integrated and you press one button. What I found having my own camera is that I also just complicated things by going, where should I shoot it? Should I shoot it here? Shoot it there? And then having to fidget around with my tripod and just could not get into video mode, by the time I fidget around. Maybe that's why I end up procrastinating sometimes. It's like, oh, I've got to do video because it's just hard to get set up. But nowadays, because it's all in one place, the whole goal of it is if it's convenient, you'll do it more. And so I find it as soon as I need to do some videos, I just go straight to my studio computer, press the on button. Everything is turned on from my camera, my teleprompter, the lighting, everything turns on. And now all I do is, if I wanted to do a proper script video, I upload the script onto the teleprompter and then start shooting videos away. Or if I'm trying to do a webcam conference, I always find that people would log on and go, wow, you look so good. And so this is my way of really converting leads and clients as well, because I want people to go, we're not just any ordinary company, we're a professional company, and this is how I present myself, and this is kind of our new way of looking professional. Back in the day when you meet people in real life, you gotta look professional. But in an online space, you not only have to look professionally dressed up, you also want to present the quality of your camera as well. We partnered with Rich Film, so yes, they've provided the equipment for us, and we're now working hand in hand with them so that they can provide the equipment and support that clients will need. Because at 𝐿𝐴 Media Productions, our goal is to help you generate leads online, whether it's through LinkedIn or YouTube marketing or other social media channel. But if clients will get caught up in what equipments to use and setting it up right and not knowing how to present on camera, etc., we rather get the expert, someone who's been in that for over 20 years to do that for us. And so with Rich Films, they have the capability to be able to help you set up and install anywhere around the world. So they personally curate all the equipment, set it all up into a piece of artwork, I would call it, and then they can deliver it across anywhere around the world, and then they will send out a technician to install it all for you. And then with their consultation online, they can help you to, learn how to use the camera and learn how to use the teleprompter, etc. So we felt like by partnering with a company that has already been doing it and knows how to do it, we can then move on with other things that we're good at, which is strategizing, editing the videos, and really helping clients to publish those content online so that they could start, generating leads and making money. The way it works is that at first you will send a video of your room. So the beauty of this equipment is that it really only needs a small space. And so you just need a basic desk that you can clamp on, and it doesn't matter if the space is small or big, they will figure out how to install it for you. And so at first you would do like a little virtual tour and send them through a video of your room. And so they're able to kind of strategize on how best to position the camera, because with their expertise they're able to go, okay, in this angle this is better for the background, or whatever's convenient for your own space. So that's what I love about working with someone like Rich Films, is that they experienced and they custom make to your own room. And so once they figure out how to do it, they will then design that map and they will send out the equipment, and the technician only has to follow the instruction and install it all there. And so yeah, it's really like all done for you. You don't have to think about anything. You don't have to break any walls, do anything crazy. And yeah, so it's really custom made to whatever's suitable for your own video needs. I am in love with this studio kit, and sometimes you don't know what you don't know until you have it. I remember when someone told me about the air fryer, I was like, why do I need an air fryer when I have an oven? And it's only when I got it and all I had to do was press a button and then don't have to think about it, and it turns off and then the food is cooked so quick. I was like, wow, it's amazing. I can't live without it. And I think this studio kit is the same thing for me. My experience is that, hang on, I wasn't really sure. I mean, I've got a camera, I've got a mobile phone, I'm doing okay. I mean, everything's been going fine, but you don't know what's better. And so ever since I've got it, like I said, I felt like now I can just go straight into my camera shooting mode, press on a button, and I'm ready to go. And setting up using QuickTime on my Mac, I'm able to record the video immediately and then download the file, send it to the editor to edit. Or if I'm on a Zoom call, I'm always welcomed with the wow. Everyone who meets me for the first time on the Zoom is like, wow, you look so great. And it just gives them that standout feeling that, they were always going to remember me by. And so it makes me feel really confident as well, seeing myself in good, clear HD quality, or seeing myself standing out. It really gives me that confidence and making me feel really good about myself being on camera. Now, if you're interested in working with us and having a studio kit done, just inquire with us and we'll come up with the best solution for you. Now, the goal for us is not just to give you an equipment and then you're stuck with the equipment not knowing what to do with it. And that's not the goal. Our goal for you is to generate leads online. And so we want to be able to sit with you, understand your business goals, understand gaps that you need help with, and we'll come up with a solution or a package that's suitable for your business. Whether you're interested in growing your audience on YouTube, or you want to start attracting leads on LinkedIn, or you want to turn blogs into videos, etc., we'll come up with a plan of how you can actually do that, including the equipment in there. So we want to be able to help clients who are new in videos, or maybe they're experienced in videos. We really want to be able to see, what is it that you need right now, and then we custom package those services together so that you have the kit, but you also have a strategy, and then you have a team backing to actually produce the content and help you generate leads online. So to get started, just inquire with us and one of our friendly team will have a chat with you to learn more about your business needs and your video requirements, and then we can help you come up with a custom plan to suit your needs.